Chresia here. It's another week, another video.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic.
So today's video is gonna be another Thrift Flip challenge again, upcycling, retransforming, or whatever you call it. But yeah, in today's video, we are going to do it. And it's not just one, guys, because I'm going to share to you 3 trendy tops that I have been doing these past few days. And everything in this video is all handsy. That is why it took me so much time to finish this video, and that is why I uploaded late this week. But anyway, it's not a problem because I'm already here sharing you this video. So before we dig into the video, if you haven't seen this face before, I'm sure you are new here. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to keep you updated whenever I post a new video. So let's go, guys, I'm so excited. So this will be the first shirt that we are going to transform. Since this is a 2-piece top, I am just simply cutting off the area that I need for the inner part of the shirt. We are now going to join the 2 edges and sew it. We are now folding the edges of the shirt, the top and at the bottom, but of course make sure to leave enough space for the elastic band to get in. So let's start sewing. Now it's time for the so-called jacket, and I am just simply stitching the edges of it. For the sleeve part of the shirt, I did not stitch anything, I just let it be. We are down to the second top that we are going to make. This time I am just outlining a little curve for the front part of the shirt. Right now I'm just folding the edges and ironing it to keep the hem in place. From the excess fabric of the shirt, now I am cutting a duplicate of the front part of the shirt, but this one is a little bit smaller. This time I am going to attach both edges of the fabric, the front part and also the duplicate one. We are now going to attach the zipper. I know it's dark and it's really different from the color of the shirt, but I don't have any choice at the moment because I don't have any pink. So we are just going to try to hide it at least. So as you can see, the top is a bit wide at the bottom, so I have thought that if I will be folding it like this, it will add up to the style of the shirt. But then I realized that this won't work, guys, because of the zipper. The zipper is not a jacket type one. It can't be separated. That is why if I will do that thing, I won't be able to wear this top again. For the sleeves, I am going to use these ear loops from a used surgical face mask, or you can use hair elastics or this elastic band in a 1/8 size. We are going to attach these ear loops at the bottom part and also at the top part of the sleeves. For our last top, we are going to use this piece of fabric from a dress, which I already cut out the zipper. For this one, guys, if you have watched my first ever thrift flip video, which is the DIY square neck top, then you can see that I am just using the same top pattern from that video in making this top. So guys, if you haven't watched that video, I recommend you guys to watch it so you would be able to follow the steps clearly. So this is now the shirt, but it's not the way I want it to be, because I want this top to look like this. So I'm gonna go and make some adjustments. That's it for today's video, guys, and if you enjoyed watching my video, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button below and subscribe on my channel. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.